Welcome back to Maths online class. Again, we are working for the class 10th chapter trigonometry identities. Okay, some more questions are there in front of us, so we are going for it. You can see these are the little different questions. See the power sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. See in the next question sin 8 theta minus cos 8 theta. So sometimes the student they are going to be confused. What is it? And that's why I have taken these different varieties of the questions for you. Right now see how to solve this particular question. So we are taking the left hand side. What is there? Sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. Sorry. When you are looking sin 6 theta and cos 6 theta and see the right hand side, what we have to prove? 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So actually it is coming in form of 1 minus 3ab. This is A, this could be B. Same like I have solved in the different question. So 1 minus 3ab, it is going to represent me one particular formula that you are knowing it. A plus B power cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3ab. This is the formula, okay? And bracket A plus B. This is the formula A plus B whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3ab inside the bracket A plus B. And I can convert this particular question in form of A cube plus B cube. Okay, see how? Because see here, it could be also written as see sin 6 theta means sin cube theta, sin square theta power cube because 3 2 ja 6. Same like that cos square theta whole cube. So A cube plus B cube, A cube plus B cube, A cube plus B cube, that is given. That is the format of the question actually. So A cube plus B cube I have to get. So how to get? A plus B power 3. This particular terms I am transferring to this particular side. So 3ab A plus B is equal to A cube plus B cube. I mean to say, I want to explain you the thing. A plus B whole cube, it is giving me A cube plus B cube plus 3ab inside the bracket A plus B. By looking here, I can understand that this particular formula is going to work. Actually, what is the format of the question? Format of the question is A cube plus B cube, A cube plus B cube. So from this particular identity, I am getting A cube plus B cube. And right now, I have got this is the value of A cube plus B cube. It could be written as A plus B whole power cube minus 3ab inside the bracket A plus B. And right now I am putting this particular format. This is the format of the question, and I will put A and values of A and B in form of this. Right now see what is the value of A here. You can understand sin square theta, comma what is the value of B here? Cos square theta. No need to explain you right now. Right now see here A plus B whole cube. What is A? Sin square theta plus what is B? Cos square theta power 3 no problem minus 3ab minus 3 into A sin square theta into B cos square theta bracket A plus B again sin square theta plus cos square theta. I think things are clear to you. Right now see this particular thing, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is an identity. And what is the value of this identity? 1. So directly it will be converted 1 cube. That is the actually setting of the question. Minus 3, it is same because that is our requirement. So no need to touch this. Minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. And see this particular bracket. Again it is the format. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is converted into 1. So into 1 I can write down because these things are in the multiplication. According to this I can write down 1 cube 1 minus 3. This is the multiplication with 1, so nothing. Directly it can be written as 3 sin square theta cos square theta, and that was the requirement of the question, and that I can write down is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Right now what is the summary of the question? Summary of the question was that nothing, only we have to understand what is the format of the question. Format of the question was given in form of 6. Is there any formula in form of 6? No. So it can be, and after that see the right hand side also. What is there in the right hand side? 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Anyhow it is, I can understand it is the 1 minus 3ab. wherever A will work as a sin square theta, B will work as a cos square theta. So in which particular formula 3AB is coming? So that is none other than A plus B power 3. From there I will get my starting point, and when I have got my starting point, so slowly solve the things, and anyhow you will reach to your destiny. So that was the solution actually. Question number 13. Come to the question number 13. See the question number 13. Again it is the power 8. So again I am going to take the left hand side. Sin 8 theta minus cos 8 theta. Again see the same kind of thing are there. Right now you can understand, I think. I am rubbing it. What is there any formula? Power 8? No. So finally what to do? Again I can convert it in power of square. See here how. It can be written as sin 4 theta square, because 4 2 ja 8. It can be written as cos 4 theta square. Right now see, it is coming in form of a square minus b square, and if it is in form of a square minus b square, so it can be represented as a plus b, a minus b. Right now I am solving it. A plus b means sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. 4 is nothing, 4 is the power here, and on the another bracket these are the things with the negative sign, sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. This is the first step. And after that what I can do, see the things, very lengthy question, but no problem. These are the things again coming in the power 4. But again I don't have any formula which is working with the power 4. So again I will convert this particular 4 power into the 2 power. This 4 power into the 2 power. So I am going for it. I will take the help of big bracket, and this sin 4 theta, it could be written as sin square theta whole square. Is there clear for you? Yes. Sin 4 theta 2 2 ja 4, and that cos 4 theta, it could be written as cos square theta whole square, because 2 2 ja again 4. Okay, and these are coming in the big bracket because this is the single term, this is the single term. Again for this I will take the another big bracket here. Sin 4 theta, again it could be written as sin square theta whole square, minus cos 4 theta, it could be written as cos square theta whole square. I think things are clear to you. Whatever the power 4 is there, we don't have any formula which is related to the power 4, and that's why what is our main concentration? We are just converting the things in power of 2. Right now see what could be done. Again this, see the things. Okay, this is what a square plus b square. Whatever the things are there inside the bracket, I will consider it a. So a square plus b square. Again a square plus b square. So what to do? One particular formula is coming in my mind, that is a plus b power whole square, and a plus b whole square, it is giving me a square plus b square plus 2ab. I think, and you can see again same term is coming here, 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and according to that I am knowing that this particular formula will work here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and according to that a plus b whole square, what is my requirement? My requirement is the a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So that particular term will be transferred here, minus 2ab is equal to a square plus 2b square. So a square plus b square, it can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That I am going to apply here. See, a plus b whole square means sin square theta plus cos square theta. See the things, sin square theta plus cos square theta power square, and these are coming in form of the identity. So I will write down in place of it 1. In the next step, minus 2ab minus 2ab. ab means both multiplication of this both, sin square theta cos square theta. These are the things I have written, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square minus 2ab in place of this only. And what I can do for this, these are coming a square minus b square format. A square minus b square format means a square minus b square, it is giving me a plus b, a minus b. So it can be written as a plus b, a minus b. So see the things, I will use the big bracket here. This is for this particular thing. Sin square theta square plus cos square theta square means a square plus b square. A square plus b square, it can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Wherever a sin square theta, b cos square theta. And for this you can see this is the a square minus b square. So a square minus b square will give me inside one bracket a plus b means sin square theta plus cos square theta, and inside the another bracket a minus b means sin square theta minus cos square theta. I think things are clear to you. And from here this particular sign is going on here. See here. Inside the big bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is none other than 1, identity 1. So 1 square minus, otherwise directly I will write down 1, no problem, it is converted into the 1 and 1 square 1. Minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So this I am getting 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. You can match. And here see, this is also converted into the 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is none other than the identity. So again it will give me 1 into, this both are in the multiplication. So this I have solved here, and after that sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value is 1 into 1, and this is remained. So that I am going to write down sin square theta minus cos square theta. And right now see multiplication of this all. So this 1, it is no problem. So it can be written as right now by the proper arrangement we can write down sin square theta minus cos square theta. This particular term I am going to write down here, and this particular term I am going to write down in the small bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. If you will match the things, so I have got the same thing which I have to prove. So from here I can say this is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Look, the smallest summary of the question, nothing. Power 8 will be converted into the power 4, and after that power 4 it will be converted into the power 2, and after that a square plus b square. So I am remembering the formula a plus b whole square, and after that I have done the adjustment for this a square plus b square. This is a square minus b square, so nothing, a plus b a minus b, so a plus b a minus b, and after that nothing, one particular identity will come into the role, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Things are little lengthy, but once you solve, you will reach to your destiny, you will reach to your answer. Thank you so much, all the best.